Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. Today we're going to talk about how to use your Toshiba Laptop Recovery Disk. Now your recovery disk, you may have gotten it with your laptop or you may have gotten it on the laptop and you have to create it. If you got it on the laptop, there will be a directory on your laptop for using the recovery disk. My laptop doesn't have one. I got the recovery disk with the laptop, but I don't have it with me right now. But I don't need it to show you what to do. So what you do, if you have a recovery disk, is open up your DVD CD player, put the recovery disk in, close it, and then reboot your laptop. And what will happen is your laptop will boot up and boot up from the recovery disk. And you'll be presented with a dialog box asking you what you want to do. And to recover, you'll want to press the R key. And what the R key will do is tell the application running there that you want to recover. And then it's going to go do some stuff. And then it's going to ask you again, what do you want to do on the hard drive? You want to press the F key for format. And what that will do is go through and reformat your hard drive and then reinstall all the applications that came with your laptop. Now bear in mind, this is going to restore your laptop back to the factory configuration that it was in when you got it. So you will lose all of your data. So if you have a flaky laptop, something that, maybe it crashes a lot and you want to recover, if you can, save your data first. Any, say Word files or mailing lists or anything that you really have important, save it off somewhere on a thumb drive or maybe burn it onto a DVD or something before you do this, and then that way you can restore it back when you're done. My name is Matt Pierce. Today we talked about how to use a recovery disk for a Toshiba laptop. Thanks for watching.